In today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing and swatching some Caran Neocolor IIs. I purchased these quite a while ago and I still haven't really used them too much. I did open this main set that I'm swatching right now. That is, I believe it's 18 colors. I kind of played with it a little bit a year ago or so, but I haven't really formed an opinion. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna even use these with my art style. I just thought they would be fun because they're like adult crayons. And I don't know, I thought they would be fun, so I got them. And I guess now, as I'm like kind of exploring the art materials I already have instead of buying new ones, I thought I would give these a try again. So in this video, I'm just swatching and kind of just seeing what the colors look like. So I originally got the set of 18 and then I got two other sets in addition, which I realize are like a limited 50th anniversary set. Well, both of them are. I bought two sets and I bought a pastel set and then a darker set to kind of go along with this main 18 color set that I got so that I could have a more wider variety of colors that are both lighter and darker. So I feel like I have a really good set, and I also kind of hate it when they do like the limited edition colors because I feel like these are likely not even available anymore, at least the 50th edition ones. But I did see that they are coming out with all of the limited editions in one box set. So I might actually get that just because I think it looks kind of fun and interesting, and I guess if I like these, I'll probably be using them more often. I don't know, we'll see. So this is the light set that I bought, and I'm actually really excited for these ones. I think I'll probably use these ones more just because they're not so dark and primary colorish as like the main set. I don't know, the main set that I got of the 18 colors, the colors just don't look like colors I normally use. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes. I'm guessing I'll probably end up layering these a lot, kind of like what I do with colored pencils. But these are definitely better than like crayons because they're not like waxy. They're more like, I don't want to say oil. I have no idea what these are made out of, but they're like creamier, I would say. I'm kind of nervous to sharpen them. My main set, a lot of the tips are like really dull already, and I don't believe I have a sharpener to even sharpen them, but I don't know. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Right now, I just want to swatch so I can kind of get familiar with them and see what colors I have. And I think for my next daily sketches that I'm doing, I'm probably gonna use these because I want to use a new material in that sketchbook because I'm kind of bored. And this is the second set that I bought. It is like darker, duller colors. I'm sure these sets have like fancy names, but I don't know what they are. And I don't think it really matters because I really don't think you can even find these anymore. I got them when they were on clearance a few months ago, maybe like earlier in the year. So that's kind of the only reason I bought them, is because they were on sale. And they're definitely more expensive than like a Crayola crayon. So that's another thing I'm thinking about, is how long will these last? Will I just like color through them like really fast, or will they last a little bit longer? I don't know. I guess that's what we'll find out when I start actually using them, like when I'm drawing. But so far I'm kind of excited. Oh, another thing with these too is that you can wet them. So like you can draw and then like add water with like a paintbrush, and they'll kind of turn into like watercolor, similar to watercolor pencils, which I honestly loathe. I hate using watercolor pencils because, one, I probably don't know how to use them properly, and I just don't like them. So I don't know if I'll like these either. But I guess that's why we get new things and try new things. So with each of these sets though, only 3 of the colors are quote-unquote limited edition. The rest of the colors in each set are standard, which is interesting. I feel like, well, I hope I don't really like some of the colors if I can't like get them again. That would be kind of weird. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to say about these. I'm just trying to have fun. And of course, I'm putting them in my sketchbook because this is where I kind of swatch stuff, and I'm just saving the covers and my swatches just so that I have them, and I have them in one place. This is like my really old sketchbook from like 2014, and I have a bunch of swatches in it, and I'm actually almost finished with this sketchbook, and hopefully I'll finish by the end of this year and I can do a sketchbook tour on it, because it has such a variety of stuff just because I've worked in it for so long that it has just like you can kind of see how my work has changed over the last decade. But I hope you found this helpful, useful. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I feel like it was because I'm just doing swatches, but I like having swatching videos up and watching them while I'm doing other stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.